What's the meaning of clear? Clear. Clear.
Clear. Clear. The word clear can have multiple meanings depending on its context. Generally, it refers to the state of being free from any obstructions or impurities. It can be used to describe something that is transparent, easy to understand, or without any doubts or confusion. For example, a clear sky is one without clouds or haze, and a clear explanation is one that is easily understandable. In essence, clear implies that something is clean, unobstructed, or easily comprehensible, and is often associated with a sense of transparency, simplicity, or certainty.